Block 1 Bedok South Avenue 1 is in a reminiscent and convenient neighbourhood, surrounded by everyday amenities. Just a short walk to shops, supermarket, existing market and hawker center. Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm here at Bedok South Avenue 1. This is the place where I grew up with. Today we are seeing a 3-room flat at Block 1. Come, let's take a look at the unit. My first school is just below the block. Bedok MRT, Bedok Town Center and Bedok Mall are also within walking distance. The flat opens up to a pleasant greenery view. Upon entry, the south-facing flat enjoys cross-ventilation, bringing in natural breeze that keeps the home cool. The front room can fix a queen's bed and study desk, while the second room has similar squarish layout. And I use AI to declutter and enhance the visual. The owner has added a storeroom in the kitchen with built-in cabinetry. And I use AI to generate redesign ideas for the kitchen. The unit also comes with a separate toilet and bathroom. Finally, I also use AI to create redesign concepts for the living area, giving you a clear idea of how the space can look before and after renovation. So, whether you are a single professional or a family would like to experience living in the vibrant heartland and great convenience for daily commuting, shopping and dining in Bedok Estate, please give me a call for a viewing. I will see you in the next video.